How to save money in school. Hello guys, today we're going to talk about a very important topic, how to save money while you're in school. Whether you're in high school or college, saving money is crucial to managing your finances and achieving your long-term goals. In this lesson, we'll discuss some practical tips and strategies that you can use to save money and build good financial habits. Budgeting. The first step in saving money is creating a budget. This involves making a list of all your income sources, such as allowance, part-time job, scholarships, etc., and expenses, such as textbooks, transportation, food, entertainment, etc. Once you have a clear picture of your finances, you can prioritize your spending and make adjustments as needed to save money. Look for discounts and deals. Take advantage of student discounts and deals. Many retailers, restaurants, and entertainment venues offer special discounts to students with valid IDs. Be sure to research and compare prices before making any purchase, and ask for student discounts whenever possible. Avoid impulse purchases. Impulse buying can quickly drain your bank account. To avoid this, make a shopping list and stick to it. Avoid shopping when you're feeling stressed or emotional, as this can lead to overspending. Wait for a day or two before making any big purchase to avoid buyer's remorse. Use public transportation. Transportation can be a major expense for students, especially if you have to drive or use ride-sharing services. Consider using public transportation instead, which is often cheaper and more eco-friendly. You can also bike or walk to school if it's feasible. Cook your own meals. Eating out can be expensive, especially if you do it frequently. To save money, cook your own meals at home. This not only saves you money but also allows you to eat healthier and control your portions. You can also pack your own lunch instead of buying it at school. Rent or borrow textbooks. Textbooks can be a significant expense for students. Consider renting or borrowing textbooks instead of buying them outright. Many online services offer affordable textbook rentals or e-books. You can also borrow textbooks from the library or from friends who have taken the same course. Sell or trade in items you no longer need. If you have items that you no longer need, such as textbooks, clothing, or electronics, consider selling them or trading them in for cash or store credit. This not only frees up space but also provides you with extra cash or credit that you can use to buy things you really need. Take advantage of free resources. Many schools offer free resources to students, such as gym access, tutoring services, and academic advising. Be sure to take advantage of these resources, which can save you money and improve your academic performance. Use open source software. Instead of buying expensive software, consider using open source software that is free and accessible to everyone. For example, instead of using Microsoft Office, you can use free alternatives such as LibreOffice or Google Docs. Buy used or refurbished electronics. If you need to buy electronics such as laptops or smartphones, consider buying used or refurbished items instead of new ones. These items can often be found at a fraction of the cost and are still in good working condition. Attend free events. Many schools and communities offer free events, such as concerts, lectures, and movie screenings. Attend these events to have fun and save money on entertainment. Use a student bank account. Many banks offer special bank accounts designed for students, which offer benefits such as lower fees and higher interest rates. Look for these accounts and compare their features to find the best option for you. Save money on utilities. If you live off campus, you can save money on utilities by being mindful of your energy and water usage. Turn off lights and electronics when not in use, take shorter showers, and adjust the thermostat to save on heating and cooling costs. Buy generic brands. Instead of buying name brand products, consider buying generic or store brand items. These items are often just as good as name brand products but are much cheaper. In conclusion, saving money in school is all about making smart choices and being disciplined with your spending. By following these tips and strategies, you can reduce your expenses, save money, and build good financial habits that will serve you well in the future. Remember, it's never too early to start saving.